Hey guys, I don't know if you noticed, but it is lit in here and it's sunny because after a week of rain, we finally have sun. Not saying that's any excuse for my delay in video, but I love some natural lighting. I know it's been raining crazy in North Carolina. Speaking of North Carolina, this is an update from my last video where I sent some film off to Briggs Camera in Charlotte, North Carolina. And surprisingly, they had a quick turnaround. I am also in the same state, so probably once I sent it to them, they did it instantly. But they could also be not as busy as major labs like the Dark Room or any other well-known labs. So if you want to check them out, I'll definitely leave a link down below. You can check them out. All the scans in this episode is done by them. So this is going to be a recap to one of our friends' birthday. So we went to the mountains just to get a quick little getaway for a couple days. And while we're out, I decided to bring a few cameras, and I wasn't really going to shoot, but I decided to, why not? And I want to try this one camera, but in order to do this one camera, I don't trust it too much, so I shot also with a second camera. And that one camera, again, is the trusty, but not so trusty, banana toy camera. I got this 25 cents one time at a thrift store, and it's just like a, I guess like I said, a toy camera. A quick little point and shoot, that's all it does. Load up the film, close the lens, shoot, that's it. And surprisingly, when I've shot this like twice before this instance, and it works every time, kind of. You'll see. And since it's a toy camera, I don't trust it fully, and in case I want to actually maybe get some shots in, just in case it doesn't work. And since I wasn't sure that I was actually going to shoot with the toy camera, I shot with my trusty Minolta SRT 201.
Alright, so I messed up the original audio, and what I meant to say is I shot the toy camera on Kodak Gold, and then I shot my Minolta on Kodak Color Plus. And that's ISO 200. I was trying something new and shooting it at ISO 100 to try to get different tones.
Without further ado, definitely check it out. Let me know what you think. And I'll show you some quick impressions after the video. that was it. What do you guys think? Do you think I should actually shoot one day with the toy camera just by itself and just trust it? I mean, I personally, I do actually do like the shots. Don't get me wrong. They sometimes have like a vintage, but also like really soft feel to the shots. Like they're not like super in focus or super sharp in a sense. Like I said, like just a soft focus. And you know, if this thing, like the little viewfinder or the count finder, it's like scratched up, so you technically don't quite know what shot you're technically on. Sometimes it shows you a number, sometimes it's just like, I don't know, it's some line, some white line, like I just can't read it. Maybe it got damaged or something, I don't know. But other than that, it's pretty solid. And the only other somewhat tricky thing is, if you're okay with not the super focus or sharpest image, is sometimes, like I said, I have no idea when, but it just happens. I'm like, how did that happen? It somehow does like a like double exposure. I don't know how it does this, unless like maybe I go past the view count and I'm just still shooting and I shoot on top of an image. That could be the case, but I would assume I would know I'm done shooting real by then. I don't know how, but yeah, just like at this shot, you know, I was like, ooh, this is gonna look real nice, and then bam, double exposure. No idea what happened there. But anyway, maybe at some point I'll actually just do a full-on shoot with just this camera. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know down below, and I'll see if I can do something. Another cool thing camera related to this trip, my friend Julian, while we're at looking, I think, for a camera battery, I think that's what led us to this store. We were just looking around, and then just so happens something caught his eye, and it was a really pristine like case, and everything was mint condition. I mean, and it was a pocket camera. It was a Canon 1110 camera. I've shot like 2 of these in the past, but they've been like somewhat plastic in a sense, and sometimes either the camera needs to be like cleaned out. They come out like super scratchy or something. I haven't quite had the best luck with 1110, but I don't mind it. I would love to try it out more. But hopefully he can try it out soon with his new camera, because that is clean. Check that out. I mean, look at that. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, if you made it this far. And if you want to see any of my shots before I make these recap videos of my journey, check me out on Instagram at Nick Sucio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.